Alright, y'all, just want to show you before it starts getting dark out here. Finished install, both sides. Alright. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Skylyfe Projects. Hope y'all doing good and staying super blessed. Today is a Wednesday and we have another install video. I got my homie Brandon here.
What's up, guys?
Remember Brandon? He's been on the channel a couple times before. He actually sold his Boost Blue Honda Civic Type R, and he got this beautiful though. Let me see if I can go over there real quick. This truck, you guys can see it in the distance. I'll probably show it later in the video, but anyways, B, what do we got going on today, man? Why did you drive all the way over here to Glendale?
Yeah, bro, so we got the carbon fiber. So we got the JDM passwords right here, got the ECU cover, and we've got our fuse box cover. We're putting in our side shrouds today for the engine bay.
To get the centerpiece because you had drill holes from the previous hood you used, right?
Correct, yes.
Got it. So you guys, he basically parted out his entire 2021 Honda Civic Type R catalog, and he sold the vehicle in stock condition.
Yep. If anyone needs anything, hit me up. I got a lot. Yeah.
And I'll link his IG down right here. So you guys, that's his IG. You can message him, hit him up. Facebook, Brandon Simmons.
Yes, sir.
However you guys want to contact him or go through me, whatever, you know. But yeah, took the cover off, made it look a little more fancier on the J's Racing. And that's all we're doing, you guys, just putting these covers on real quick. Very quick video.
Yeah, my channel is rated R. It's R8ED and then _R. So.
Oh yeah, that's right. He has the YouTube channel. Yep. Yes, we need to get him that.
There in my IG. So.
Let me link that right here too, you guys. There it is. Okay. So that's it, right?
That's it, man.
We got going on.
Yeah, we'll get these in and should fire, man. It's gonna look good.
Yep. And as you guys know, these are used. They're in pretty damn good condition though. You know, there's a couple like scuffs here and stuff, but B gave me a really good deal. So what are these retail? $650, $680, something like that, just for the sides?
I think for everything, yeah, it's pretty insane.
And it's like $869 or something around there for the whole kit, right?
Yeah, and just shoot them with some clear and they should look beautiful. So
I mean, it's still got clear coat on there, bro.
Yeah. But buff that out and then clear them, shoot them, they should look
either way, you guys, when I'm done with this turbo project, like see right here, I don't know if the camera picks it up, but I'm going to clear this part out right here. This is, you know, just wear and tear, normal stuff. There's no cracks or anything like that, so that's obviously why I got it. So, all right, let me stop for a second. I'll be back with you guys in a moment. All right, just finishing up on this side, right?
Yes, sir.
And I did a lot over on this one. This should be popping up. Oh, I just need one little Phillips over here.
Yep.
Unless you
that one, dude. One out.
That out. Nice.
One out. So yeah, so like right here, we can put in, if you have more of your iodized things, you could use that right here. That would look nice.
You put that right there.
Yep. So don't have to have it right now, but it'll look good, you know.
Yeah.
So we got that. Them are out there. That one will go there. So we'll just pop this in. Boom.
And then that holds.
Yep, and then this will be there. This bad boy. Boom.
It's pretty self-explanatory. I'm just holding the camera.
Yeah. Alright, and then let me grab this bad boy. This one in.
Yeah.
And that's what really will anchor it down.
Yeah, we need that one at top.
That'll look nice. And I'm not going to tighten these too hard. Right about there. There it is. One
yeah,
down.
that's solid. Oh yeah, that's way more solid, huh?
Not bad at all. And like I said, you can do one here. It doesn't have to be. It's still in there, man.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Cool.
Alright, so.
It's like a really easy install video, guys. Just want to show you how it looks when it's done.
Yeah.
B, how long was that drive?
Hour at least.
He's like, man, you're gonna have to let me just install them if I'm driving that far. I said, okay.
Yes, sir. It was a drive.
Jeez, it's a long drive, dude. Alright, you guys, when I say, he's doing that real quick, but when I say I live by the mountains, there it is. There's the mountain. Everyone's like, Jay, you live far as hell.
Oh, yeah.
Because a lot of people, our people are like from Mesa, right?
Right.
Gilbert, Avondale, you know what I mean?
Right.
You know, I'm like literally in the heart of Glendale, borderline Phoenix, B.
You're out here, dude.
Yeah.
But, you know,
From all you guys, yeah.
but people feel the same way about where I'm at. We're just like opposite ends of the valley.
Yes.
Might need. Let's try this.
Let me show you guys real quick. The size. Alright.
That one's stripped out right there.
Hey guys, back. There was this right here that was stripped out because it was an aftermarket screw. Keep in mind, those previous covers that are on here, I can guarantee you were not for the Type R, and B would have, he says he agrees. But I guess that's the reason, right, Brandon? Because,
Well, yeah, just the types of screws that were used on that.
Yeah.
I would have used something different. That's why I use my clips instead, because they're just a lot easier to remove. And just get yourself a little box like this, AutoZone or something. It'll have all these clips in here, which is nice. So you have different options.
yeah.
And then this one.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Put the titanium one up here.
Yeah. Let's do.
You're getting it all the way through the grill, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So we can let's do this. Let's try yours.
You got it?
Yeah. I just wanted to. You used this. That's what it was. Which we can reuse it. I mean, just didn't know if you want to.
Monkey with it again, right?
Yeah. I would reuse this.
Alright, y'all, just want to show you before it starts getting dark out here. Finished install, both sides. Alright. Cleaned it up. Getting as close as I can. That fuse box cover is sick with the password insignia right here. Check that out. That's sick. Damn, bro. This is fire. I got such a good deal on all this, so look at that. Yep, solid. Sheesh. Wait till this big turbo gets in here. We get this APR right here, carbon fiber too. It all come together, you guys, but for right now, loving the way this is all looking. Yeah, that looks sick. Still loving the mission motor front mount. Alright, well, that's another video, you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button. It greatly helps the channel. Shout out to all the new subscribers. Also want to say thank you for everybody who supports me, and this channel supports my journey. We're gonna go a long way, and I think we're like 9 away from 300 subscribers, so that's definitely a milestone, and I'm very happy and satisfied to say thank you. 9 more to go. We're at 300, because pretty soon when I get to that 1,000 mark, guess what? I'm gonna be doing giveaways. I'm gonna give back to my community, the Civic Type R community, the JDM community, everything like that. We're gonna have merchandise, you know what I mean? So at least that's the plan, that's the goal. I'm an Aquarius, I always have goals in mind, and yeah, that's what I want to say. Shout out to everybody who's along for the ride, because this is Skylyfe Projects. Much love and major blessings. All right, you guys, till next time, another video. Never give up. Don't hesitate for anything. Live life the way you want to live, man. Don't let anybody tell you what you can or can't do in your life. Control your options. Much love and blessings. Skylyfe.